So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix MetaQuest 3 lag shutter in SteamVR, link setting, bitrate and performance fix. So, how to fix MetaQuest 3 lag and shutter in SteamVR? Fixing lag and shutter in MetaQuest 3 with SteamVR involves optimizing connection type, bitrate and software setting for smoother information. Common causes include high bitrate overwhelming your network or GPU, outdated drivers, and mismatch resolutions. So fixes are: check system requirement, ensure your PC meet MetaQuest 3 Stream VR specs, strong GPU, example RTX 30 series, and ample RAM 16 GB plus, and updated drivers. Close background dev via Task Manager and set power plan to hide performance to free resource. Also, to check device requirement, open Task Manager, then Control Shift plus E escape. Performance tab for CPU model, RAM amount, and GPU detail. Cross reference with Meta minimum Intel i5 4590 or AMD Ryzen 5 1500X CPU, 8 GB RAM, supported GPU, example GTX 970 or RTX 20 series in Windows 10 and 11. So to check StreamVR, for StreamVR specially download StreamVR from Steam, library, then tools, then launch it and check the status window for the performance readiness. So the second fix is update headset, PC app and GPU driver. On your Quest 3, go to settings, then system, then software update and install the latest version. Open the MetaQuest PC app and allow it to update. Download the latest GPU driver from NVIDIA or AMD, then perform a clean install if possible. Restart both the PC and headset after updating. Outdated firmware or GPU drivers often cause frame timing instability, encoder issues, and compatibility problem with StreamVR. Update typically include performance patches, bug fixes, and improved video encoding stability for MetaLink. So the updation of MetaQuest app. Open the app on your PC, then click Start menu. Then search for MetaQuest link, previously Oculus PC app. Open the application. If an update is available, the app will automatically show an update required or restart the update notification. Also click update or restart app when promoted. If no promote prompt appear, click your profile icon in the top right corner, then go to settings and then in journal. Ensure automatic app update is enabled. So for NVIDIA or AMD graphic card, download latest driver, go to the official NVIDIA or AMD website, then click drivers. Enter your GPU model, example RTX 3060. Then download the latest game ready driver. Then install driver, open the downloaded file. Choose custom installation, then select perform a clean installation. Click install. Then step third is restart PC. Restart your computer after installation complete. Fix third is link capable setup, cable setup. Use a high quality USB 3.0 link cable plugged into a motherboard USB port. Then the USB 3 cable will have blue color pin. In Oculus PC app devices, then Quest link. Set bitrate to max 500 plus Mbps for encode resolution width to 2784 or 3664 based on GPU. Then disable dynamic bitrate in Oculus debug tool. Find in Meta app folder. Then settings, then Oculus diagnostic, then disable it. So the fix 4 is optimize network. Air link users. Connect your PC to the router using Ethernet cable, then use a 5 GHz or Wi-Fi 6 router. Keep the headset close to the router. Then avoid heavy download during VR sessions. Airlink depend on stable low latency wireless transmission, weak Wi-Fi or network. Congestion cause packet loss and latency spikes, leading to visible frame drop and jitter. Ethernet for PC plus 5 GHz Wi-Fi for headset ensure stable bandwidth and lower latency, reducing streaming stutter. So the fifth fix is tune SteamVR resolution scaling. Open SteamVR, go to settings, then video, set per eye resolution to 100%, then reduce to 30 to 90, 80 to 90 if shuttering continues, then disable motion smoothing if it causes artifact. If resolution scaling exceeds GPU capability, frame time spike and reprojection activates, causing visible shutter. Lowering resolution reduce pixel re-rendering load, stabilizing frame timing and preventing excessive reprojection. So if the option is not found, you can turn off manually. Be careful before editing the core file. If any error cause occurs, it will affect whole OS. Locate SteamVR setting file at program files x86 bits, then steam, then config, then steamvr.vr settings. Then open in Notepad, find motion smoothing true under the drivers underscore SteamVR or main section. Change to motion smoothing false. Then save and restart SteamVR. So the sixth step is adjust bitrate properly. Very important. If bitrate is too high, your network or USB bandwidth can become saturated, causing compression spike and frame drop. If it is too low, visual quality suffers and encoding instability may occur. Proper bitrate tuning balance video quality and stability, preventing sudden shutters caused by bandwidth overload. Open quick settings in headset. Put on your Meta Quest 3 headset. Press the Meta Oculus button on the right controller. Open quick settings, then bitrate, then enable it. Open AirLink settings. Select settings, then go to system, then Quest link, then select AirLink. Make sure it is turned on. Inside AirLink settings, locate bitrate settings, select dynamic bitrate, then confirm the setting is enabled. Fix 7 is optimize Windows performance. Enable high performance power mode in Windows, then enable hardware accelerated GPU scheduling. Disable Xbox game bar and overlays. Close browser and background apps before launching VR. Background applications consume CPU and GPU resources unpredictably. VR require consistent frame timing when system resource spike due to background tasks. Frame delivery becomes unstable, causing micro shutters. Optimizing Windows ensuring maximum resources are dedicated to VR rendering. So enable high performance power mode in Windows. Press Ctrl plus I to open settings, then click system, then select power and battery. Under power mode, click the drop down, select best performance. Enable hardware accelerated GPU scheduling. Press Window plus I to open settings. Click system, select display. Scroll down and click graphics. Click change default graphics settings. Turn on hardware accelerated GPU scheduling. Click restart when prompted. Disable Xbox game bar and overlays. Open Steam, then go to settings in game. Uncheck enable the Steam overlay while in game. So the eighth fix is lower in-game graphics settings. Reduce shadows, reflections and anti-aliasing. Lower texture quality if VRAM is limited. Disable unnecessary post-processing effects. Some VR games are highly GPU intensive. If the GPU frame time exceeds the refresh interval, drop frame occur. Lowering heavy graphical setting reduce GPU load, preventing overheating and maintaining stable FPS during demanding scenes. Thank you.